are in the kitchen of the office. We're talking about how to prevent house fires. So, number one, make sure that you attend any open flame. I know that sounds like a basic thing to do, but when you turn the gas on, don't walk away. Great, right? Good idea. Don't leave your stove or your oven unattended. And then, of course, always have a fire extinguisher. That's super important for those things that do happen. I mean, I remember when I was a kid and I left when I was making popcorn and set the stove on fire and then threw water on it, you know, because of grease fire. That's exactly what you're not supposed to do. So, you know, just keep watch on things when they're on fire. There you go. That's first order of business. Second order of business with all of our old homes, they can have knob and tube wiring. You probably want to just get things inspected. So you might want to check your electrical panel occasionally to make sure nothing's arcing, make sure nothing's happening there. Those are really the two biggest sources of house fires. So if you're on top of those, you're going to be good to go. We'll see you next week on our Dear Claire. Take care.